We're at 421 Emily Crossing Court. This property is in deep Henderson. It's a great location. It's 1.3 million and it has 5 bedrooms.
This is a beautiful single-story home on a cul-de-sac with this kitchen. You have double ovens as well as double dishwashers, quartz countertops, and upgraded cabinets.
Not to mention that they have a great kitchen here. You should see the backyard. It has a pool and a park-like playground and another area for your trampoline. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. property is in Henderson. It's a great location. We're also by Cadence too, right on the other side of Lake Mead. You have the hospital here. Lake Las Vegas is down the way. We also have the Smith's grocery store, and it's fairly new. It's about a year old.
This home sits on just under a half acre and has no HOA.
Not to mention it has a 3-car garage, but the mudroom's right next to it, and it does have a 5 shower head shower, which is great. So let's recap. This property has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, a chef-likes kitchen, and an entertainer's backyard. So if you want to know more about this property or anything else, call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We are here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.